Well, it's a very rare occasion when you see an SVA issued in a 5% watch probability.
Includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Kane, Kendall, Lake, McHenry, and Will. And the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather. Radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I really cannot remember the last time, or if ever in my life of being a weather and EAS enthusiast, a watch being issued in a 5% watch probability MCD.
Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carpentersville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm. Schaumburg, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Elmhurst, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Addison, Elm Grove Village, and Niles, including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 77. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 355 near mile marker 30. This includes Open Community College, Schaumburg, Bloomland Baseball, Harvard College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Another SVR? That's back to back.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pingree Grove or near Chestnut Hills, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kane County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m. Locations of that include Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Lombard, Bartlett. Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll, Glen Ellen, Chicago, King County Cathedral's ballpark, Norton Arboretum, Washington Community College, and Eaton College. For your protection, use an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carpentersville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Harbor to Michigan City. Open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 8 p.m. At 5:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Wilmette Harbor to Olson Airport to 6 nautical miles of Aurora, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations affected. Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. Northeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wheaton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour.
In Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:30 p.m. At 6:13 p.m.
Locations affected include Chicago, Naperville, Hammond, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Cicero, Berwyn, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, First Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Governors State University, Hawthorne Park, Moraine Valley Community College, Morton Arboretum, Prairie State College, and South Suburban College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.